Good morning, everybody. Too Much Boost is getting ready to watch the Grand National.
But this right here is my 1987 Buick Grand National with the GNX kit, and what I'm going to do today is put my lowering springs on. And also this car's been riding kind of rough, so I'm going to remove the HR sway bar, or temporary, just unhook it and see if it's causing the problem. So let's get to it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to crawl underneath here and look and see what we got. What I'm thinking is, I don't know if this is adjusted right, this HR bar, but what I'm going to do, I'm just going to, because it's riding rough, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and unhook, take these off, and then ride around, do a test drive and see if it causes, make it ride a little bit better. And also while I'm back here, I can go ahead and install those lowering springs. So let me go ahead and remove these end links right here, the bolts on both sides, and that way I can eliminate what's causing this car to ride rough. Alright, I got that end link off. So the next thing is going to replace these springs and then lower it. I don't know. Let's go. Alright, here's the difference. This is the BMR. This is the DSE. Okay, I got the BMR lowering spring on. I gotta say, it looks pretty good. Yeah, I say it might be a little lower than the DSE. Well, let me get the other side done. All right, got this side raised up. Let's call up in here and see what we do. Let's remove that. Trying to adjust this so you guys can watch. gonna leave it like that. I don't know if y'all guys can see it or not. Let's see. Alright, let me go ahead and remove this. I know this is under a lot of tension, but this is the only way I can get it. Alright. Yeah, it's gonna be, it's not gonna be easy. I know this is under load, but right now this is all I can do. I'm clear if anything happened. Got my jack stand under there. I tell you what, driving this long and it's riding real rough, you can feel every bump. I get kind of annoying. It's not a fun ride. So I'm going to do this. Probably have to put my stock sway bar back on. I know there's probably a different way to do this, or safer way, but I'm trying to get this done. I don't want to fool with this all day. Okay. I got that removed. I'm just going to leave it. I hope it should be okay to leave like that. Just for now, just so I can see what's going on. Make it a quick test. See if it rides any better. If it rides better, more likely I'm going to remove this sway bar, put my stock one back on. So let's see. Making sure I can get that spring off. Take this nut off so I don't lose anything. Alright. I got that off. Now let's see if y'all can see. We're gonna remove the spring. Can it go this way? Can't go this way. Hope I don't have to take the wheel off. Let's see if I can get it this way. like I'm about to take the wheel off. So that's what I'll do. This is what it looks like with these B8 BMR lowering springs. Love the color. Like I said, I'm gonna leave that unhooked. Probably go back to my stock sway bar. That's if you know, if this can fix the problem. I'm just gonna take it a quick spin around the block. See if I notice any difference in how it handles and everything. Alright guys, this is the after the BMR lowering spring. I kind of think it's just a little bit lower than the BSC. Let me see if the sway bars touch or anything. Make sure it's safe for me to drive. Yeah, it's about the same lower as the exhaust. I need to get that fixed. That's another day. Tuck my movements up. Here's the other side. Alright guys, here's the first drive. And I know it's not going to handle like it's supposed to. But I'm not going to go too far. Seems to do okay. Alright. It's not bouncing, it's not slamming down real hard like it used to. But I can tell it has a little... Oh yeah, that's a whole lot better. That's a whole lot better. I can tell a big difference, yes. So basically probably what I gotta do is remove that HR sway bar, put my stock one back on. Yeah, this rides a whole lot better. So I'm happy with it. It's not slamming like it's used to. So yeah. So I'm gonna end it like this. Got one project out of the way, got the rear lowering springs on, and on the next video I probably got a little more work to be done. So stay tuned. Later guys.